To send a price proposal, go to the Quotation section and click plus Add Quotation. Series, auto-generated. Date, select today's date. Valid till, define expiration date. Order type, typically sales, customer. Select from customers list that has been created. Choose a customer, fill in the quotation date and validity period. The system will generate the document number automatically. Item code, choose product service from list. Quantity, add desired quantity. Rate, MYR, define price per unit. Add the items being quoted. Define the quantity and rate per unit. Go to tax settings and can adjust tax settings if needed. It will be on default mode, so choose your tax percentage if relevant. Tax setting, choose one if necessary. Click Save. Quotation will be saved as draft mode, PDF. Once everything is finalized, user can submit to confirm. Please take note that once submitted, no amendment can be done. We encourage you to explore our full video series to learn more about using Invoix.biz. Our team is ready to support you. Thank you for choosing Invoix.biz, your trusted solution for efficient, compliant, and professional business management.